Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Nasim Reza and you are of course welcome. Hope you are doing well and you can do subscribe to my channel because always I provide you the essential information for marketing because I am a marketing expert. Okay, today I am going to discuss spam affiliate marketing strategy that are unethical and often violate platform policies. However, for educational purpose, I am going to discuss the top 3 spammy affiliate marketing strategy that may scammer use, and of course you should avoid that, but you have to know about that strategy. First of all, I am going to talk about the bulk email spamming. So, what the scammer do? They actually collect bulk thousand unsolidated email and they use the third party platform to send the scam email. So they actually the customer don't know how they actually collect the email and why they are getting that email. They actually use always the third party platform for collecting email and sending email. So this is very scamming. So if you get a too much scam click on your unwanted affiliate link, then your affiliate account will be suspended. So you have to be careful about that. And let's go to the second one, which is fake review and click content. So in social media you have to, like, you and me always try to trust on the customer review. But this is the strategy what scammer do. They actually try to get fake review and they create YouTube video, they can create the blog post, they can create the fake customer review video and publish it on social media like Facebook, YouTube and so on. But they are fake and they try to start marketing, and for few days they can be get sales, but that is not reliable. When, like, if you publish the video like this tool made me thousand $10,000 in one night, it can be the fake video. So if you publish this kind of fake video on your social media platform, your social media account could be banned. So you have to careful about that. And the last one is social media commenting. What scammer do? They actually try to collect the video or content that are super duper engaging with their, of course, niche. Sometimes they don't care about their niche related content. They actually try to randomly comment or randomly DM with their affiliate link, and sometimes they got banned for with their social media account. So of course you should avoid this marketing strategy. Spam strategy may bring short-term gain but will damage your credibility and potential lead to legal trouble. Instead, focus on ethical and outstandable affiliate marketing strategy like SEO driven content, email marketing with your customer permission, and engaging social media post. When you will publish the reliable video on your social media like YouTube, then if you refer a product to your customer will trust you and they will try to buy from you and you will get commission. This is the real marketing strategy, like all the professional marketer do. So, and I recommend you don't promote that product that you don't want to use for yourself. Okay, always you have to provide the value to your customer and then refer or suggest a product that really important or really cool. So that's it guys. If you want to learn marketing, then you can stay tuned with me. Always I try to publish the useful content like this. And if you found this video was really useful for you, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to learn marketing and want to get more video, then consider subscribing to this channel. I really appreciate that because it will help me to continue working on this. So see you on the next one. Till then, bye bye, happy marketing.